club members and club board members and officers. May I now call to stand up the previous outgoing directors and officers. Lahat po ng outgoing na director and officer pwede pong tumayo ng Kiwanis Club of Tanay Highland. Please, dito po sa harapan. Board of Directors. Una-una po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat